Do you have aloe vera in your home but you don't know what to do with it? Have you been seeing aloe vera around your compound but you don't know what to do with it? Keep watching this video to see how you can make aloe vera for multi-purpose use. Welcome back. Here I have 3 big leaves of aloe vera and I'm going to go ahead to wash up the very first layer of yellow latex which is visible here. After rinsing that off, I go on to add more water into the bowl as I soak the aloe vera. Soaking this aloe vera, I'm going to leave it for at least an hour. After an hour, you notice a water change, and that is to show you that there are toxins that you wouldn't want anywhere in your skin. Those latex, those yellow latex, them, all those things. That is the need for you to soak your aloe vera before you start making use of it. So I go on to start preparing it to extract the gel as I remove the unwanted parts of the aloe vera, which are the thorny sides and the ends. Those parts you really don't need them for this, so you need to take them off. Now, aloe vera can be found in a lot of places, almost everywhere in the world, and a lot of people, such as me, grow theirs in their own home. Aloe vera is cooling and soothing when applied to the skin, which is why it is sometimes used to treat burns and skin wounds. Next, I go on to remove the flat part of the aloe vera. That's the flat surface of the aloe vera. So it will give me room to extract the gel, which is what I need for this. As you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, also the like button, because that is how you show me that I am doing so well. I love what you're doing. Keep it up, that kind of thing. Now, after that, I go on to extract the gel, which I prefer using the spoon. Spoon makes it easier to scoop out the gel. Aloe vera is very good for your hair, and one of the things it does to your hair is that it strengthens your hair and makes the scalp healthier. Also, applying or rubbing aloe vera gel on your hair and scalp and letting it penetrate your hair follicles conditions and improves damaged or dry hair. It also calms itchy scalp as it helps resolve inflammation that causes dandruff. It also strengthens and repairs hair strand due to its content of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy hair growth and shiny hair. Also, vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Now, after extracting the gel, I go on to blend it. And after blending it, I still go on to use a cheesecloth to sieve it. And the reason why I'm sieving it is that if I don't sieve it, it will be leaving residues and particles. So it is very important to sieve your aloe vera. Now this is what I mean by residues and particles. Can you see that? Yes, those things, you don't want them in your aloe vera gel because we are trying to get it to be clear. I go on to weigh the aloe vera gel and it is 289 gram. Then I mix xanthan gum or guar gum, whichever one that you can call it, xanthan gum or guar gum with glycerin. Mix a little of them. Glycerin is 10 gram, guar gum is like 3 gram. Mix both and then add it to the aloe vera gel. I go on to use my mixer to mix thoroughly, mix as thorough as possible because it is very necessary. After mixing them, I go on to add my preservative and then mix again thoroughly. Mixing thoroughly is quite important because you wouldn't want some of the product to be one-sided. You get. So after that, I go on to transfer it. Aloe vera is very, very, very good. Okay, as it is now, you can use it for your hair to promote hair growth. Also has a very good moisturizing effect. You can go ahead to mix it with your oil and apply it. You can use this as deep conditioner. You can use this as normal conditioner. You can just use this for anything. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.